everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you guys what is in my backpack, and I am going into my senior year of college, and I'm studying to be a medical assistant, and this is just what I have in my backpack on an average day, and I figured it would be fun to do a video of what's in my backpack at the beginning of the semester, and then once the semester comes to an end, I figured I would do another just to see the difference. And as always, I will have as many of the products as I can linked in the description box for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is my backpack. I didn't feature this in my back to school supplies haul because I wasn't sure if I was getting a new backpack or not, but I did end up getting one. And this is just what it looks like. It is just a JanSport backpack. I'm not sure the exact one. I will have it in the description box for you guys. And it is just gray and has pink cherry blossoms all over it, as well as gray diamonds if you look closely. And I've actually never had a JanSport backpack, but I decided to hop on that bandwagon because they are pretty reasonably priced, and if it gets all ruined and stuff, I can get a new one next semester if needed. And so before I get into it, I want to start with what is on the outside. Over on this side, there is just a water bottle pocket, and in there I have my water bottle, and I recently got one of these Swell water bottles. It is just a seafoam green with a bunch of triangles on it, and it is a 15-ounce water bottle. And in that mesh pocket, I also have a Kind bar. This is one of the only ones I can eat because I do have a peanut allergy, but this one only has almonds, and it is the caramel almond and sea salt, and it's really good. I also have two keychains. The first one is just a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, and this one is in the strawberry lemon, and it smells so good. And then I just have my ID lanyard badge reel thingy, and if you've seen my medical assisting must-haves, then you've already seen this. I like to keep this on the outside of my backpack so I can swipe into certain areas of campus easily. And now I'm going to show you guys what is actually in my bag, and I'm going to start from the outermost and go inwards. So in this outside pocket right here, I just have a bunch of Crystal Light drink mixes, and then in the other outer pocket, this one is chock full of stuff. First, I just have my wallet. This is just a black 9 West wallet. I have my planner. This is just one of the 5-star academic planners. I've talked about it here on my channel before. This is my second year in a row using it, and I highly recommend them for high school and college students. I have a pack of the UB mini highlighters because I'm constantly highlighting, and I really liked at Target how there are a variety of colors in this pack and that they are small. I have my pencil case, which if you've seen my back to school supplies haul, then you've already seen what is in here. I have a flash drive hooked in on this clip so I don't lose it. And I also have my calculator, which I again featured in my back to school supplies haul. In this front zippy pocket right here, I basically just have a lot of my electronic stuff. Normally my phone would be in there, but it's actually charging right now, so it's not. I have my Beats, which I just recently got and I absolutely love. And mine are just the matte gold Beats X's, and they're just the earbuds version, and I absolutely love them. And lastly in that pocket, I also have my Fitbit charger because I did recently get a Fitbit. I got the Fitbit Charge 2 and I absolutely love it. And so I do just have my Fitbit charger in there. Moving into the two bigger pockets, the smaller of the bigger pockets basically just has a bunch of odds and ends that I may need. I have a clear makeup bag, and obviously you guys can see there is just a ton of stuff in here. I have this, which is just a first aid kit that I got at Target, and this is what I use as my EpiPen carrier. In here, I basically have an extra set of medications that I take on the daily, some Band-Aids, some Advil, I have some Kleenex wet wipes, and then down here I just have some ibuprofen, Benadryl. I have in this little pouch right here are a couple dollars in case I have to buy more Benadryl or anything. And then over here are my EpiPens, and I use the AuviQs, and then I also have an expired regular EpiPen just in case. And so I like to transfer this between my backpack and my allergy backpack, and it just fits everything nicely and is cute. And then in the biggest pocket, I just have a binder, and it is what I use as my homework binder, and it is just a pink 1-inch durable binder. And then on the inside, I just have a bunch of stuff. I have dividers for each of my classes, and then I also have a folder as well as a hole punch. And in terms of textbooks, we don't actually have to bring our textbooks to school most of the time because we usually get digital copies along with the hard copies. So my digital copies are on my laptop, which is why I don't really have any textbooks in here. So that is everything that is in my backpack as of now. If you guys like what is in my backpack videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I always find it so intriguing to see what other people have in their backpacks. And also, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see what is in my backpack at the end of the semester. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!